Dive into 1939, a year that reshaped history. January sees Nazi Germany enforce the Protection of Young Persons Act. Silicon Valley welcomes the birth of Hewlett-Packard. Marguerite Perret discovers the elusive element, francium. Norway asserts its dominance over Antarctica's Queen Maud Land. By February, Hungary aligns with the Anti-Comintern Pact. Chamberlain warns, an attack on France is an attack on Britain. New York debuts John Ford's cinematic masterpiece, Stagecoach. Paris witnesses diplomatic talks between Bonnet and Suretz against German aggression. March brings German occupation of Czechoslovakia. Barcelona falls to Spanish nationalist troops backed by Italy. Hitler unveils Plan Z, challenging Britain's naval might. April marks the end of the Spanish Civil War. Italy sets its sights on Albania, exiling King Zog. Marian Anderson's voice resonates at the Lincoln Memorial. May introduces Batman in Detective Comics number 27. Germany and Italy cement their bond with the Pact of Steel. June records a failed assassination attempt on Hitler. The Jefferson Memorial's construction commences. July witnesses Neuengamme concentration camp's autonomy. August records the Einstein-Szilard letter, hinting at atomic power. The Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact divides Eastern Europe in secrecy. August 19th, Germany invades Poland, triggering the start of World War II and the beginning of the largest and deadliest conflict in human history. September sees Allies declare war on Germany. SS Athenia's sinking marks the war's first civilian casualties. Khalkhin Gol conflict pauses with a Soviet-Japan truce. Warsaw surrender and USSR's eastern invasion redefine Poland's fate. October revolutionizes fashion with the debut of nylon stockings. November's narrative is the division and control of Poland. The Winter War erupts as Soviets advance on Finland. December hosts the River Plate battle and Admiral Graf Spee's demise. Gone with the Wind dazzles audiences in Atlanta. This was a short exploration of year 1939. Comment to suggest new timeline. Like and follow for more.